One look and I knew it na malakit to pikit ang tingin ng mata. One smile, parang ibig sabihin di na friends ang tingin niya sa'kin. Hello. Puntahan ko kayo. Hello, Sean. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need a time and place to come true. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. Yoko na nga. Well, forward to this new to me. Wait. Panahon na binigay sa amin. Wait lang, ayusin natin. Till I met you. That's too high. I don't know after hour. Who'd have thought this is how the pieces fit? You and I shouldn't even try make sense of it. I forgot how we ever came this far. I believe with reasons, but I don't know what they are. So blame it on my heart. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising when love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to me, which only proves love moves. Ha? Saan niyo nakuha yan? Thank you, boss! Saan niyo nakuha yan? Bakit kilala niyo siya? Ba't kilala niyo si KB? Hi! Kamusta ka, G? Ayoko munang mag-up kung kanino, guys. Love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Of the beast over the horizon. I love you. Kakauwi ko lang din. Naghanap ako ng papakarosyan kaso puro sarado eh. Hindi ako Japanese, guys. Bakit? Friend ko si KB. Friend ko siya. Ikaw ah. Guys, nagbebenta yata si Bricks. Hayaan nyo siya. Ha? Ano ba yan? Love mo.
Real Short. Short movie and TV.
Tigilan nyo ako ah. On your hips, pag di mo inaasahan. May mga tanong ba kayo? Tanong kaya kayo? Para ano? Tanong kayo. Kanta na lang ako. Taga saan ka? Puso mo?
Cover speech.
Wala. Masaya lang ako. Ng sarili ko lang. Naniniwala ka sa concept ng ligo? Kala ko may ibig sabihin pag like mo sa status ko sa Facebook, get up like it is Twitter. Akala ko ayun na, pero nakita ko kahapon may pinost kang iba, may kasama kang maganda. Hala, nagbebenta. Inaano ko ba? Ano ba yan? Nagla-live nga ako dito ng sarili ko eh. Bakit ako na naman? Pinapaasa mo lang ako kasi alam mo na crush kita. Oo na, crush kita. Ala, ang cute naman yan. Ano yan? Anong want mo? Sasabihin sa'yo na liligawan ka or mag-mate mo? Siyempre, importante pa rin yung kailangan sabihin para, di ba? Para aware. Kasi, mahirap pag walang maayos na usap eh. So, diba?
Wow, it looks so delicious. I want to eat it. I want to try it. Wow, it looks so pretty. I want to buy it.
Ship
I want
ko
to
na
have
kaya.
it.
HM yung 49. I'm better in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel stuck. I was enough. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were showing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I know I love you then, but you never know. Cause I played cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you till we're grown old. Just say you won't let go. Wait lang. Wait lang. Di ko alam yung tibok eh. Hirap ma-in love sa TikToker. Kaya ayoko mag-date ng ano eh. Same ng social ano ko. Life ko. Gusto ko next relationship ko. Gusto ko hindi kami same ng ano. I mean, may idea lang siya kung ano yung environment na meron ako. Pero gusto ko chill! Halika dito. Dali, beer tayo. Ano ba? Halika. When I needed you the most, I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I'll promise that we boy like in advance. So this song for you, everybody knows this is just you and me till we're growing old. Hi, Reg. Ang dami nyo request. Ano daw? Hindi ako mahilig sa chocolate. Blank space? Blank space?
Handog ng Bear Brand. Ang
Saan ka po mahilig?
300
Sa'yo.
pesos na lang. Mag-Bear Brand araw-araw.
Kaso hindi ako yung hilig mo. May iba kang hilig. Daming kaagaw. Nice to meet you where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven seen. And I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like the next mistake. Love's a game, wanna play. New money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny, your words fly. And I know you heard about me, so hey. Anong love language ko? Kaya ko ibigay lahat. Pero yung gusto kong nare-receive, kahit ano. Alam ko. Anong pinaka-favorite mo na ginagawa ko, Reg? Cause we're young, reckless, we'll take this way too far. Okay na, yun na yun. Iba naman na kanta. Anong hala? Hi. Acts of service. Oh, ayan. Acts of service daw. Ang dami naman nila dito. May. Ox lang. Ano pong favorite song? Love, physical touch and physical abuse yung love language mo. Hoy, bad joke yun ah. Anong mas gusto mong naririnig? I love you o mahal kita? Parehas lang naman yun. Kuya Den! Kamusta ka? Bora na. Paboracay ako kasi yung lola ko, magbe-birthday siya. Sama kayo? Ano idea man? Bakit man? Well, ideal? Gusto ko matalino. Matalino gusto ko. Tapos, ano ba? Basta yun, matalino. Mabait. Slight. Bakit may slight? Yung may humor. Sa babae, okay lang din naman. Ay, andito si andito si Reg, MC. Ayoko ng lesbian Dalawa lang yan Either, pag magjojowa ako ng babae ito, pag babae. Ayoko sa lesbian. Ayoko. Gusto ko girly pop. Fem.
Atoni PH. Buy now, pay later. Install and go.
Pag sa lalaki, gusto ko older than me. Ligawan kaya kita. Naku, masakit ako sa ulo. Like 33, mga ganyan. 30 plus. Siguro, hanggang 30, lang ako. Hanggang 34. 34, 35. Hello. Drixo, favorite mo yata to. Why, Fem? Gusto ko, ayoko nung mukhang lalaki. Don't try, don't ever go away. Should be much too smart for this. No, it gets the better of me sometimes when you and I collide. Fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Let me down. Say it's all because of you. Hi, Sarah. And here I go, losing my control. Practicing your name so I can say it to your face. Doesn't seem right to look you in the eye. Let all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time. Tell you why. Say it's infinitely true. Say you'll stay. Don't come and go like it too. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. And there's no cure, there's no way to be sure. Why everything's turned inside out and standing so much doubt makes me so tired. I feel so uninspired. My head is battling with my heart. My logic has been torn apart, and now sungit mo kanina. To sino ka ba? Bakit? Hello, strawberry. Nagkaan ka lang. Swear. Kay Vic. Thanks. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much.